Hello friends, welcome back. Today let's see how to install Tor browser on Kali Linux. After booting into the Kali Linux, let's open a web browser. Firefox is the default web browser in Kali Linux. After opening the web browser, let's navigate to Tor browser website. And then click on download option for Linux. This will start the download automatically. Once the download is completed, let's go to the downloads page. Let's right click on the downloaded archive file and then click on extract here option. Once the extraction is completed, let's move the Tor browser folder into a convenient folder and choosing apps folder in the home directory in my case. Let's open Tor browser folder and right click on start Tor browser icon and choose the option make it executable. Once it is made executable, you can see that the shortcut icon is updated, which is having an icon just like a web browser. Then we can click on this to open the Tor browser. For demonstration, let's try opening the Kali Linux homepage. For the future use, let's create a shortcut of the Tor browser by right-clicking on the application icon and choose the option Send to Desktop. In future, let's click on this icon and open Tor browser. That's all about installation of Tor browser on Kali Linux. Let's see in another video. Thanks for watching.